welcome back to another video. So I'm still at work. Well, it's already after hours. I'm done for the day, but I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. It's more of a informative video. So if any of you guys are new to the game, or you're starting to tear your motors apart and stuff like that, and you need to send your head out to the machine shop, this is kind of just a informative video so you guys know kind of what to do before you send the head out. Pretty much you're sending a bare head. So for some people this may be common sense, some people genuinely probably don't know, but all of this would have to come out. So all these sensors have to come out, you know, the complete VTEC solenoid assembly. This tube right here for the coolant has to come off. Obviously intake manifold, spark plugs got to come out as well. So pretty much all this got to come out and just send the bare head. As far as the valve train goes, you can leave the rocker assembly, the valve springs and retainers, valves, that can stay in there, but the actual cams themselves got to come out, all that stuff. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do now, is just disassemble all this stuff. That way I can send this head to the machine shop. All right, so I'm going to just start taking all these things apart. I'm going to start right here. It's a 10 millimeter. Take those out. Get that off. Now we'll work on the VTEC solenoid. Take this guy off. Now whenever you do take this off, you want to replace this gasket. There's like a little screen in there too. So just make sure you guys do replace that when you take this off. So you set that to the side. Next we'll take this sensor off. That's a 13 millimeter. I'm gonna use a ratchet and socket for that. And then this one is a 19 millimeter for this sensor. Alright, so we got everything off on this side. We got everything right there. We're going to put it in a little box so we don't lose them. And next we're going to work on taking off this intake manifold. As you can see, all the 13 millimeter nuts all the way around. And then once we loosen those, we'll have the manifold off. Alright, so intake manifold is off. Got all our sensors off on this side. So pretty much we have a bare head now. The last thing would be just the spark plugs inside each one of these holes right there, and that's it. So that's pretty much what you got to do to prepare your head to get sent out to a machine shop. And you're pretty much good. The studs you could leave on, you don't have to worry about that. But everything else does need to come off. Just make sure you put everything somewhere where you won't lose it, because you need to use all those parts again. But there you have it. Now we got the whole head pretty much completely taken apart, and now we can officially send this to the machine shop.